Today, I go into a garden, but not just any garden. Oh no, the Garden of the Gods. Good morning from Phantom Canyon in southern Colorado, still near Canon City area. I've been told that this is one of the prettiest drives in the entire state of Colorado. I don't know about that, but look at this. It is pretty stunning. So this road it goes up to what's called Cripple Creek, and this is what's called the Gold Belt section of southern Colorado. Because I guess trains used to run through here where they would, Cripple Creek is a big gold town, and so they would, also it's a very, very rough road. Definitely doing a little off-roading. But I was told that I can make it from locals, so. Anyway, Gold Belt, so this is part of the Gold Belt Drive. So there's like streams all around here. So this was part of the largest gold rush in the United States, this area. So there's definitely some history here. It's supposed to be really pretty. There's supposed to be a lot of pullouts to check stuff out and hikes. And I don't know, man. I don't know what to expect. I'm just gonna go explore. So far, so good. No major issues. We've gone up about 1,500 feet in elevation. It is pretty stunning, I'm not gonna lie. Especially if you're a rock person. I'm not particularly a rock person, but the rock formations are pretty awesome. So we've stopped at this little bathroom, little rest area, and kind of read about it. I don't know. Came from here. Actually, we came from Shelf Road. So I came from there down up here. About to go into a restricted area. Nipple. Alright, so for today's adventure, we're just gonna go check out some garden. Right, buddy? No, I'm just kidding. It's the Garden of the Gods. I'm excited. So Wyatt and I are doing what's called the Gateway Trail, which is the main trail. It's all paved, super nice. It's like 2 miles. But this is a cool little feature. They have all these little pull-offs like this for people like me who want to stop and take pictures of everything. That way people aren't running into me from behind. Because it is a crowded park. It's like 10 o'clock, like they just opened up. Beautiful morning. As you can see, there's no clouds in the sky. I mean, it's a perfect day. Look at this. Look at that behind me. It's really pretty here. I'm gonna take some cool pictures. Probably. But I like that I have this little pull-off thing so I can do that. He's loving it. So I think one of my favorite parts about this park is behind me you see Pikes Peak. which is constantly in the shadow of this place. Pikes Peak for me as a kid, I've always been a car guy, and it's a place where, well, some of the best road racing happens as people try to climb the mountain. Oh wow, look at this one. Also, fun fact, it was named after a General Pike who never climbed the mountain. He tried to climb the mountain, and so they named it after him. He tried, never succeeded. What are we teaching our kids these days? Neat. This place is really, really beautiful. I was having second thoughts because you gotta like go through a town to get here. So this is like really close to cities. So I didn't expect it to feel as nature-esque as it does. But like once you're here, you don't really hear anything. There's mountains in the background, green trees, and all these just weird formations that are hundreds of millions of years old. Yeah, it's crowded, but not crazy. It's a Friday morning. I kind of expected more, just like any other major park. And I thought it was really cool that the guy, high altitude, the guy that owned this land dedicated to the state of Colorado and said that it would be always free. I think that's really cool. So if you ever want to get really popular really quick, just bring a puppy to the park. Right, buddy? Non-stop pets from people. I can't get anything done around here. Okay, I'm gonna say 100% worth it. 100% worth that hour-and-a-half drive to get here. Completely worth it. That was a lot of fun. Glad we did it.
This is literally the beginning of Wyatt and my adventures together. Every day this little puppy gets bigger, stronger, more agile, and more adventurous. Garden of the Gods was a perfect adventure for us, and it's likely a perfect adventure for anyone in your life. The paths are clearly marked, there's very little climbing, and you're surrounded by absolutely stunning scenery. This place doesn't even look real. It feels like a set built by Disney. But yet somehow you'll see the history carved into these sandstone spires. You'll be awestruck from the Rocky Mountain snow-capped peaks staring back at you. And you'll be inspired by Charles Elliott Perkins, who once owned this land and vowed it to the town of Colorado Springs with the following stipulation. It shall always remain free to the public, where no intoxicating liquors shall be manufactured, sold, or dispensed, where no building or structure shall be erected, except for those necessary to properly care for, protect, and maintain the area as a public park. It's places like this that inspire me to see new things, explore new sights, feel more history. I hope this short adventure inspires you to do the same. Get out there and keep exploring life with an open mind.